In walks Tracy. Do you have like cardboard boxes here, like unfolded or like anything?
We do not. Besides, I mean, so we have. Sounds great. We have a dumpster in the back that we just put cardboard in. So there might be tons of cardboard.
Are we allowed to go back?
You can grab some if you need.
All right.
Because we cut our boxes and we take them all out back.
That might work.
I'm gonna see.
Let's send it back.
What's up, guys? It is Bailey. Today we are building a cardboard boat and going to float on a lake.
Here.
Low key though. Look at my hot wife back there. So we're at the boat launching place and it's down there. We're coming to the idea of we're gonna build it here and then carry it down. We have rope and stuff to pull us back in if we need. So yeah, I'm just gonna like separate it into like getting all the cardboard out. We have to get all the. How cardboard might actually work. See, I have a towel for you to sit on too. Yeah. Disney knees. Is there supposed to be an amount? Like this piece, like amount? How does that even work? Oh my god! Ed? Oh John. Oh Jacob. What? My little camera position changes. So this is how it is so far. Still gotta keep on working on it. I heard that. Yeah. Yeah, completely. Well, Jesus. I have a piece of this. Ah! There's an ant. The boat. And we need someone to pull us back in. Okay, Brie. What? Pick one side up. Not like like Riley, I'm about to drop it. Just so they actually don't like. Okay, take it up. Okay, it's recording. Okay, so tilt it sideways. Okay, John. You're Pork. Also gonna be in charge of reeling me in. John Pork. Okay. Bro, this is so gonna just like disintegrate as soon as you touch water. Riley, I swear to God. Bro. Oh my God. No, it's falling. Phone's in my pocket. I'm gonna fall in. Okay. Go. Push it back out. Go back out. I'm scared. Oh my God. Get in. Just jump in. Just get in. I knew I was gonna fall in. I really told you I'm gonna fall in. Bro. Whoa, that's sandy. Where? Oh God. Don't let her, guys. Anyway, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. More videos coming out like this, probably. But yeah, and like and subscribe obviously because it just will help out. And peace out, fuck buds. Life's a bitch. Don't quit. Bye, y'all.